world-class musician, Chief Ebenezer Obey has revealed the harrowing experience of his survival following prostate surgery, which nearly took his life. Chief Obey, the 82-year-old icon, expressed gratitude for overcoming the operation at Kelina Hospital, Lagos, attributing his recovery to God's intervention and the support of well-wishers who visited him during his hospital stay. Obey recounted a message from God, stating that his earthly mission was far from complete and that he had more to accomplish. Determined to fulfill these assignments, he pledged to share the full testimony of his ordeal at his upcoming 82nd birthday celebration on April 3. He said, "It is by the grace of God that I survived prostate surgery at the age of 82. I thank God for bringing me out of a prostate enlargement surgery operation at Kelina Hospital, Lagos. I thank my friends, followers, fans, and people of God for their prayers. Some people came to visit me in the hospital. I thank them all. God told me I had not finished what He sent me to do on earth. He said He still had more assignments for me. I am also determined to do more of such works for Him. I will share the full testimony at my 82nd birthday on April 3. Despite initial fears, Obey credited Nigerian medical professionals and the power of prayer for facilitating his recovery. He revealed plans to raise awareness about prostate enlargement through a forthcoming song, drawing from his own experience to educate the public about this prevalent condition among males aged 40 and above. He said, "I also plan to release a song on the issue of prostate enlargement. I will talk about my experience and inform the public. It is a disease that usually afflicts males, and can happen to any man from the age of 40 and above. King Charles of Britain also had it. It is more dangerous when it is cancerous. I am grateful that mine was not cancerous. I am happy that I passed through it, and was congratulated when I survived it." Obey added that he had a major surgery on his legs 2 years ago. He stated that though there were complications after the surgery, he also survived it by the grace of God. The board member singer also stated that he was not sure he would still be alive if he was no longer singing. Sharing his birthday plans, he stated that he would carry out philanthropic initiatives across 9 locations, including Patch Ellie School for the Blind, and Lepers Colony, Abeokuta, Ogun State.